this 5-minute solution will show you how to access and use the monetization eligibility tool in Meta Business Suite. First of all, open Facebook Meta Business Suite or business.facebook.com, and here make sure to select your business account, and now here you will get the monetization tool. Just click on it and you will jump into this overview main page. Here you can see your status for monetization. Currently here we can see I have no violation for applying monetization. Now click on view page eligibility. Now to apply for monetization, you have to complete the setup task for the tools you are interested in using to submit your pages for review. So all you have to do is just click on setup stars to apply for monetization, and here we can see tools to try. So this is how we can actually use the monetization tool in Facebook Meta Business Suite. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.